Explain the purpose of annotations in Java. In Java, annotations are a form of metadata that provide information about the code to the compiler, runtime, or other tools. Annotations do not affect the logic of the code but instead offer additional information or instructions to various components of the Java environment. Examples of built-in annotations in Java include @override, @deprecated, and @suppress warnings. The purpose of annotations in Java includes following. Code documentation. Annotations can serve as a form of documentation, providing additional information about classes, methods, and fields. They offer a structured way to embed metadata directly into the code, making it more self-explanatory and enhancing code readability. Compile time checking. Some annotations are processed by the compiler to perform additional checks or code generation. For example, annotations like @override and @deprecated provide compile time checks for method overriding and deprecation, respectively. Runtime processing. Certain annotations are designed to be processed at runtime by custom tools or frameworks. These annotations enable runtime reflection and introspection, allowing tools or frameworks to discover and respond to specific features or configurations in the code. Configuration and settings. Annotations are often used to configure various aspects of the application or framework. For instance, in frameworks like Spring or Hibernate, annotations are used to define dependency injection configurations, database mappings, and other settings. Code generation. Some annotations trigger code generation tools or preprocessors to generate additional code during the compilation process. Lombok is an example of a library that uses annotations to generate boilerplate code, reducing the need for manual coding. Testing and quality assurance. Annotations are commonly used in testing frameworks to mark test methods and provide configuration information. Quality assurance tools may also use annotations to define rules or constraints for code analysis. Customization and extension. Developers can create custom annotations to add their metadata and define specific behaviors within their applications or frameworks. This allows for the extension and customization of the Java language and runtime environment. Examples of built-in annotations in Java include @override, @deprecated, and @suppress warnings. Custom annotations are created by developers to address specific requirements in their code base or frameworks.